This is a recipe for steamed whole chicken. And then we'll take the juices, put it in the rice with some chicken stock. And we're going to make a real tasty rice to serve with the chicken.
I'm at the Come Along restaurant. We're going to try some of their dim sum. So today we're going to have the steamed chicken, and then I'll do the recipe at home. The restaurants aren't allowed to have indoor dining during the pandemic. So we're going to try some patio dining in the parking lot during this pandemic. So this is the parking lot converted into a patio dining. So the government closed all the indoor dining, so a lot of restaurants set up the dining in the parking lots. This is the half steamed chicken. You gotta have it with the rice. Ooh, look at this steamed chicken. Look at this steamed chicken. Wow, that was good. Really nice flavor. The meat is tender. And the ginger really adds to the taste of the chicken. Ooh, look at this steamed chicken. Look at that, with the ginger and garlic. It's really good. Chicken has been chilled. The meat is tender, lots of flavor. Really good with the ginger and the green onions. Boy, it's ever good. This is a steamed rice roll with beef, soy sauce on the side. Put some soy sauce on the beef steam rolls. Yeah. So this is the steamed rice roll. Look at that. Look at that. I can make this at home, but this is a lot better. Nice and fluffy. Really delicious. Here we have chicken feet with black bean sauce. So it's flavor, lots of flavor. It's a delicacy that you may like or may not. Ooh, look at this chicken foot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Good thing about this place, the dim sum is really hot. To really make their dishes really hot. So when you handle it, it's good for you. This is beef tendons and a nice savory sauce. Try the beef tendon. Boy, is that ever hot. Nice flavor. Tripe. Look at that. That's beef tripe. Oh, look at that. Really chewy. Careful when you eat it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
That was really tasty chicken, but it's time to do our recipe.
Chicken is really good.
This is a recipe for steamed whole chicken. And then we'll take the juices, put it in the rice with some chicken stock. And we're going to make a real tasty rice to serve with the chicken. So put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. You put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of green onions in there. So salt to taste, anywhere from 1 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Bring some water to a boil in a pan. So we're going to put the chicken in the pan. So we're going to steam the chicken maybe say to 30 minutes. So we're using a small chicken here, so it's only 2 pounds. You can use a chicken anywhere from 2 to 4 pounds. For this recipe, I'm going to use a Korean style rice. It's grown in the United States, so this brand is really fantastic. So just rinse the rice in cold water. So just rinse the rice a few times to get rid of the starches and also clean the rice at the same time. We'll put the rice in the rice cooker. We're using the rice cooker here. So we have roughly 3 cups of rice. So as a general rule, we go 1 to 1. So 3 cups of rice will be 3 cups of broth or water. This is the chicken stock that we have from yesterday's recipe. It's infused with the ginger, garlic, and the green onions. So we're going to put it in the rice that we're going to make today. So this is going to be 3 cups here. So just so now we're just going to turn the rice cooker on and let the rice cook now. We're going to stir fry some ginger. So this is a traditional topping for chicken. So you got maybe a cup and a half of minced ginger, maybe a tablespoon of cooking oil. We use peanut oil. So you're going to put maybe a teaspoon of sesame oil. You got a cup and a half of chopped green onions. So I'm going to put some pink Himalayan salt. So just put that in. So say a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Or you can use regular salt, or you can use say sea salt. Just put the ginger, garlic, and green onions into a bowl. You can serve it on the side, or you can use it as a topping for the chicken. The chicken has been steaming for about half an hour. So because it's a small chicken, I think it's pretty well cooked. So we're going to use a toothpick just to poke at the chicken to make sure it's cooked all the way through. So just poke around the thigh area there. So there's no blood coming up. So I think it's pretty well done. So we're going to take the chicken off right now, let it cool for about 15 minutes before we cut it. So just the rice has been cooked. So just take a spatula just to loosen all the rice. So now we're going to pour the juices from the steamed chicken. We're just going to mix it into the rice, so added flavor for you. So just mix the juices in with the rice. Close the rice cooker and let the rice steam for another 10 to 15 minutes before serving. The chicken has cooled off about 15 minutes now. So now we're going to cut the chicken. So just cut it in half first. Sesame oil on top there. There you have it, steamed chicken Hoiping style with hot steamed rice. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.